Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Monici, and today I'm going to show you a home tour of our unfinished fixer-upper that we're working on. So I hope that you stay and see how much work needs to still be done in this mess. I think the easiest way to do this is by just kind of taking you along, because it's kind of hard to get the tripod to get everything. Because let me just show you the mess that's behind me. So this is the living room, and as you can see, there's just a lot going on. We've been trimming stuff, lots going on, but I can give you kind of the gist of what's going to be happening in here. Once we clear all of this out, we are going to put vinyl floors in, and I have to finish painting the walls. It's this beautiful aesthetic white by Sherwin-Williams is the color that I chose. It's this beautiful warm grayish. And then a couch is going to be right here. And then we're going to have the TV above the fireplace just because there's nowhere else to put it. I don't want to put it in front of the window. We have beautiful natural light coming in, but for privacy reasons, I'll probably blur this out. I don't want people to see in the front of my house because people are scary. And then we'll just have like 2 chairs probably in the front with a curtain, and then I am not sure what I'm doing with that corner yet, but we'll probably have like a 1-chair sofa here and maybe an end table here. So this right here where the saw and all of this stuff is, along with the fridge, this is the dining room. And I bought a beautiful chandelier at Wayfair that's gonna go where that light bulb is. Oh my goodness. Here she is. Oh my gosh, she's so gorgeous. And then on Marketplace, we found this beautiful dining table and chairs that I'm gonna put right below the chandelier. And I'm really excited to do that. This is the entryway. When you walk in, there's this beautiful hallway that leads to the kitchen, and the kitchen is almost done. My dad put in the cabinets, which I'm so grateful for. He helps me so much, and I know that I'm not deserving of all the things that he does to help out with this house. And I'm just super thankful that God's blessed me with a father that does what he can to help his kids start out in life. And I know that my in-laws did the same by letting us live in their basement. And Andrew and I are just very blessed to have amazing family in our lives. Behind me is the kitchen cabinets, and Andrew and I have picked out beautiful handles for the kitchen cabinets, and the countertops get put in next month sometime, and I'm really excited. Andrew and I didn't know that we were gonna buy this house, so my parents like to flip houses, so they bought this one a few years ago, and they picked everything out for the kitchen and everything. But since we decided we're going to buy this house, we've been able to kind of pick our own little style. We picked out the floor, the carpet, and I will be sure to put pictures in this video of how everything is gonna look. So as you can tell up there in the ceiling, so this house is extremely crooked. So my dad was really struggling to put these cabinets in. I felt so bad for him because he's worked so hard, and I mean, I'm okay with what it looks like because I've never had a house. So honestly, please keep that in mind. This is a blessing to me to just have a house. And Those are the cabinets that will go above the fridge. We haven't picked out the fridge yet, but that's where that's gonna go. And then look how beautiful these cabinets are. I'm pretty sure they're discontinued already, but I think they're so gorgeous. They do look different, the colors, but I think it's just the lighting. That threw me off a little bit, but yeah, it's just the lighting. So I just love the detail, and then the counters are gonna go on here, I think mid-August, I wanna say. And then we bought this, and then we picked out this gorgeous gold faucet to go on the sink, with the sink in the kitchen. So we're hopefully going to be able to get gold handles that we picked out. And I'm not picky if it doesn't match precisely. As long as it's gold, I'm not going to be extremely picky about it. As I've said before, I have never owned a house, and at 33 years old, you've had time to dream up what you want that house to look like, what details you want that express your personality and your love, and things that you love and things you don't like. You just kind of form those things after so many years. So I'm really excited to make this dream come true. And as I've said before, I am not deserving of this. I know this, and I know that I have these blessings because of God. And I don't want to shy away from my faith, like I've said before on this channel. And I feel extremely blessed to have the things that I have. And yeah, I can't say it enough, honestly. Little hallway with a closet here that we need to fix up. And this is going to be our bathroom. I did start painting here. I really need to finish, but I love the color that I chose, like I've said before. And this is where the toilet will be. As you can see, it's literally, there's nothing. My dad gutted this house, and then this is where the vanity is going to be, with a mirror here, hopefully. And then here's the shower and this beautiful tub. I have always wanted a tub, so my dad got this gorgeous tub. And then there's just gonna be white subway tile going to the ceiling. And we picked out a gold shower head. So I'm really excited to see what that looks like. As you know, I love gold. And I think the vinyl flooring is also gonna go in here, so. Okay, and then this is going to be the master bedroom. Andrew and I will be sleeping here. There's adorable windows. And then my dad actually he's gonna exchange these. And then he bought one of those enclosed fans that have lights around it, because the ceilings in this house are so low, but not low for me because I'm 5'1". So this is the guest room. These are the doors. We're probably gonna have to paint. And here's more storage space. Maybe I'm thinking of putting my clothes in here. I'm not sure yet, but that's what's going on. Okay, now we go upstairs. So these stairs actually have a story. When we first saw the house, I think the first step was about, I want to say 6 inches tall, and then the top one was 12. So that's quite a bit of a difference, and people were always tripping, and it was just a thing. Andrew's very afraid of stairs, so we were able to find someone to fix these stairs, and they're sturdy, and they don't They don't squeak like before, so we're very glad about that. We are upstairs now, and the one thing about this house that scares me is this upstairs. The floors are so uneven floors, it's scary. Like, let me just show you. This is going to be Andrew's office. And then, so this is going to be my office or whatever, maybe an extra guest room, but I don't know if you can tell in the corner, but this floor is extremely uneven. And I don't know if my dad's gonna level it out or what's gonna happen, but they creak like crazy. So this is going to be the upstairs bathroom. And then where the shop vac is going to be the toilet. Oh no, sorry, that's the toilet. And then this is going to be the sink, little vanity. And then my dad didn't want us to waste any paint, so he put no paint. No, 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 no. If you know my dad, that's very Jerry of him. And he just leveled out the shower. And this will be Andrew's bathroom. He keeps saying he wants to have his own bathroom, so this will be his. I made the mistake of showing him a Cookie Monster shower curtain, and he is quite possibly going to buy it. Okay, the biggest room in the house is going to be Andrew's. I love this room. It's very long, wide, and the ceilings are beautiful. I don't think I told you this, but my dad did hire someone to do the ceilings, and they did the drywall downstairs. The drywall in the main floor is all new. And then we have these beautiful windows. I think these tiny closets in each of the rooms there's just fiberglass inside. So I think they're gonna try to see if they can put plywood to make it more storage space for us. And then there's this closet. And they have to figure out this hole because the people that did the drywall did not check this and didn't do their job. So this is the creepy basement. It's gonna be really loud because of the air conditioning. Okay, here we are. As you can see, there is a lot of work to be done. A lot of work. So what we want to do is eventually we're thinking of renting a paint sprayer, and we have to wipe all the cobwebs off and everything, clean it out, and then we're going to spray paint the ceiling black. And then we have to paint the walls and the floors like a white. But before I do that, before we do any of that, we have to figure out where this water is coming from. In this corner, every time it rains, there's water here. And this is the sump pump. So we have to get down to the bottom of this before we do any painting. Hey guys, it's Editing Monisi. I forgot to film an outro while I was at the house, so just pretend that this is me now. Thanking you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please come back for the next one and subscribe, like, comment. I love you guys, and see you next time.